Today I will talk about the different mentality of the people around the world. So many people listening greatest material, advice, quotation, motivational speeches, session and greatest teacher books and get the huge amount of success in their life. Most of the people listening same material, same environment, but they can't achieve the little amount of success in his life. I have a question. What is the difference between of them? Tell me in the comment section. But now I will tell you what is my point of view. You know the major difference between of them, it is some people reading and listening and then apply, take it action now. Most of the people listening and reading but they don't apply. They say I will, I wish, how can this happen? They are just thinking about the dreaming and fear to apply. They are just talking. This is the wonder thing. If you are reading and listening more and then don't apply, this is totally garbage in your mind. No doubt, knowledge gives you a power and weight. But how can you use that knowledge? This is in your hand. Every human have a power to see himself based on his imagination in future. Who, what he like to become a person. What you see and where you are. And what is the gap where you want to become? Now you figure out that thing, what is required to fill that gap. Gap could be a knowledge, gap could be a skill set, gap could be a finance, gap could be a health, gap could be anything. When you figure out that thing to fill your gap and then put the work every single day and willing to continue your goal. I hope you will be get there very soon where you want to go.